Good morning, students. So take out your marigold. Take out your marigold. And be ready with your notebook, okay? So we have completed the poem The Balloon Man. Students, we have already completed the poem The Balloon Man. Yes or no? Students, we have completed now? Okay. So today we are going to discuss the question answer and all the exercises. So take out your notebook and be ready with your pencil. Take out page number 44. Take out page number 44. So the first question is, where does the balloon man stand? So start writing with me. Page number 44. Okay? Page number 44. So the first question is, where does the balloon man stand? So start writing. The balloon man, write down, the balloon man stands near the market square. Okay? So the balloon man Students, can you see the board? Yes or no? Okay. Number 2. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? So write down, when there is wind, the balloons when there is a wind, the balloons tug a lot of time. So you know now, when there is a wind, the balloons, when there is a wind, normally the balloons can fly high in the sky. So when there is a wind, balloons tug a lot of time. Come to number 3. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? Yes? Can you see the board? Okay. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? So the child likes to see the balloon man to let the balloons go and the child would enjoy to see all the balloons high in the sky. Completed? Yes or no? Write down fast. Students, write down fast because we have to complete exercises also. Completed? Yes or no? Any confusion? All 3 questions completed? All of you? I am going to rub the board. Okay. Students, come to page number 44. Come to page number 44. Word building. Okay. Word building. Identify the words from the jumbled letters and write the word in the space provided. Okay. So the number 1 is LABOONS. So what it would be? Huh? Balloons. Balloons. Very good. BALLOONS. All the words are from your poem. Okay. Next, ULBE. It would be blue. Next, WOLBE, below. Next, CUNLH, it would be lunch. Next, PLOEEP, people. PEOPLE. Next, CRAT, it would be cart. CART. Completed? All of you completed? Okay, come to number 2. Put the words given in the box into the following groups. So from the following groups you have to take the words and you have to put it. Okay. Number 2. Number 1, nature. Number 1, nature. So you have to take the words that denotes the nature. Okay. So the word sky, sky, and the next word will be grass, grass. Okay. The two words are from nature related. Next, number B. Come to number B. Food. So we have to take the word pineapple. And another word, turnip. Both are food, na? Turnip. Number C, colors. Now we have to take the words for colors. So it's very easy, na? You may take white, and green. Okay? Completed? Yes or no? Come to page number 45. Come to page number 45. You may also write yellow, okay? Completed? Okay. Come to page number 45. How many colors can you find hidden in the maze? Write their names below. So you have to first circle the words for the color's name, and then you have to write out in the gaps. Okay. So circle the words for colors. Number 1, white. Number 2, black. Number 3, violet. Number 4, pink. Number 5, purple. Number 6, blue. First you have to circle, okay? First you have to circle with your pencil and then write down. Completed? Up to 6 colors completed. White, black, violet, pink, purple and blue. Okay. Come to number 4. Fill in the blanks in the balloons with their opposites. You can find them in the poem The Balloon Man. One is done for you. So never, always. So all the words are from your poem The Balloon Man. Okay, and you have to fill in the blanks in the balloons with their opposites. Okay, you have to write the opposite word. Number 1 is given, never, always. Okay, the word always is already in your poem. Next word is small. So opposite of small will be big. B-I-G, big. Next, rainy, sunny. Next, low. It will be high. The opposite of low is high. Next, sit. S-I-T, sit. The opposite of sit is stand. Next, near. The opposite of near is far. Completed? Students, write down first. All of you completed? So students, we have completed the question answers and all the exercises now from the Balloon Man. So have you any query regarding this poem? If you have, then you may ask through your chat box. Yes? Have you any query? What? Write down in chat box. Who have completed, upload your pages. Okay students, so we have completed all the question answers and exercises from the Balloon Man, poem The Balloon Man. So in the next video we will start a text, a beautiful text which is related to the nature. Okay, the yellow butterfly. The yellow butterfly. You like the butterflies? Yes or no? So in the next video we will start the text, the yellow butterfly. Okay? Okay students, goodbye. Bye students.